In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable CORS in Google Chrome. To start, make sure every currently running instance of Google Chrome is fully closed. Check your open windows and close them all. If needed, make sure Chrome is not still running from the taskbar or in the background. Once Chrome is closed, open the Run dialog on your Windows computer by pressing the Windows key and the R key at the same time. In that Run box, paste this command chrome.exe -- disable web security -- user data dir equals /Chrome dev session. Then press Enter. When you run this command, Chrome will open in a separate session with web security disabled. The user data directory in the command creates a dedicated browser profile folder, which helps keep this temporary session separate from your normal Chrome profile. If the browser opens, that means the command worked. At that point, you can use this Chrome window for the specific task that requires CORS to be disabled. Be careful to use only this special session for testing. When you are done, close the browser completely. If you want to return to normal behavior, simply close this Chrome window and open Chrome again the usual way from your desktop, Start menu, or taskbar. That covers everything you need to know.